Tayong mga nasa 40s na, ito dapat ang priority natin para ma-maintain ang ideal weight, ideal shape, or ma-achieve natin yung desired weight na hindi tayo naglalaylay. Number 1, prioritize yung ating protein. Never skip meals kasi ang ating katawan nagsuslow down na ang ating metabolism as we age. So if you really need to deficit yung calories mo kasi kailangan mong mag-lose weight, I recommend na mag-shake ka kasi ito ay may complete balanced nutrition, 9 grams protein pero 90 calories lang. So, nag-calorie deficit ka pa rin pero hindi nag-suffer ang iyong protein intake. Number 2, always hydrate with water or use our fat burner tea kasi ang hydration is very important para maiwasan natin ang cravings at maganda yung ating skin. And number 3, do not forget na mag-strength training. Huwag mag-rely sa cardio kasi kailangan natin mag-build ng muscle to boost metabolism. So, with our fat burning and muscle building na set, mas hindi ka ngayon mahihirapan mag-maintain ng ideal weight, ideal shape. Kung hindi ka naman nakapag-exercise, no worries kasi remember, 20% lang ang exercise na factor. 80% in achieving ideal shape is through nutrition. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you how to achieve your ideal weight, ideal shape the correct and healthy way? Direct message us for personalized program.